Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties and then go to the controller tab. And here first select the disable Steam input and then close it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then close it and then launch the game and check. Fix 2, press the Alt plus enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly or not. And if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controllers on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is a alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.